Hey, what's up everyone? So if you've been thinking about signing up for Bitrue, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to use an invite code when you register, and I'll also show you where to find the reward center once you're in. Alright, so the invite code you want to use is WZTEALQ. WZTEALQ. Write that down, or just pause the video, because you'll need to enter it during sign up. So here's how the registration works. Head over to the official Bitrue website or open the app. Then hit sign up or register. You'll fill in your basic details, and at some point in that process, you're going to see a field that says invite code or referral code. That's where you type in WZTEALQ. Double check it before you finish. Just make sure it's in there correctly, and then complete your registration as normal. Now, once you're inside your account, go find the Rewards Center. That's where new users can see what tasks and activities are available to them. Bitrue currently has a new user campaign there that can go up to 6,752 USDT in total rewards. But just to be clear, that's not something you automatically get just for signing up. You'll need to complete specific tasks to qualify, so go read the requirements and see what applies to you. Quick word on Bitrue itself. It's a crypto exchange with a solid range of coins and trading options. Good starting point if you're getting into crypto trading. And one important thing, promotions and reward amounts can change, and eligibility might vary depending on your region. So always check the current terms inside the app before you start counting on anything. Alright, to wrap it up, the invite code is WZTEALQ. Use it when you register, then head straight to the Reward Center and check what's available. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. And before we wrap up, if you're looking for another exchange to explore, check out Weeks. Weeks offers a huge selection of trading pairs, strong liquidity, and no KYC access for basic use. New users can also unlock rewards of up to 10,000 USDT. You can find my Weeks link below if you want to check it out.